Students, in this session, let us learning the remaining parts of Flipperclip. That is Flipperclip Part 2. See the learning objectives: onion skinning, definition and its uses, inserting an onion, grid and options on the stage, adding frames, uses of frame viewer, steps to insert image, video and audio, steps to make a movie option. Using project setting options. How to use the option means, observe the picture properly. A three dot button that can be present at the top right corner. If you touch the button, then the screen will be enabled. So project settings. What is the purpose of using project setting means, if you tap this option means, it can take you to the first page of the project. That is, if you want to change the project name or background or canvas size or frames per second, you have to use the project setting options. Next one, what is onion? Onion skinning in 2D computer graphics. So it is applicable in a computer graphics 2 dimension. Is a technique that is used in creating animated cartoons and editing movies to see several frames at once. So with the help of onion skinning, you have to see the several frames at a same time. Using this way, the animator or editor can make decision how to create or change the image based on the previous image in the sequence. So it is easy to create your animated videos easily with the help of onion skinning option. So inserting an onion, how you enable the onion option? Click the three dot icon available on the top right corner of the screen. As you do in the project setting option, the same way you have to touch that three dot option. Then enable the onion option to activate it on the stage. Inserting an onion, I just refer with the help of a screenshot. You just touch the three dot button. Then the options are enabled here. Here the second option is onion. If you touch this means, you just tap and enable it. Then a red color button will be appear, which shows that onion option is enabled. You can turn on or off onion layer tapping the little switch. Press and hold the word. You have to change the opacity. Then skip the frames. Frames before and after option is used. And how many frames? You just adjust how many frames that can be visible while creating an animation that can be changed by yourself as you wish. So this is the onion skinning option. I just enable it and create a animated picture like this. Next one, inserting a grid. The same steps you have to follow. Click the three dots icon available on the top right corner of your screen. Enable the grid option to get the grid lines on the stage. Let us see with the help of screenshot. I just touch the three dot button. I indicated with the help circle. Then the grid option is available in the third position. So you just enable it. What will happen? I just show it in the screenshot. Observe that a graph can be appeared on your canvas position. So inside the grid, whatever options are available means line opacity. That is, you have to change the thickness of the line. Then vertical line spacing and horizontal line spacing. The distance between the vertical line and horizontal line can also be changed with the help of these options that is available inside the grid option. So I just change the line spacing, vertical and horizontal, and show the screenshot in this slide. Next one, frames. What do you mean by frame means? It is a speed at which the images are shown on the stage. How fast or how so the animated pictures can be applied. You have to use the frames per second option. So it can be expressed as FPS or frames per second. You can easily control your animation by adding mini frames. So how to add the frames? The frames option is available here. You just touch. Then frame viewers option. So frame viewers option, what's the purpose of using the frame viewers option is it is used to copy and paste a bulk of frames. So I just touch the frame viewers option is available in the three dot button. If you press it means you just frame viewer option is available. So whatever you want to select, how many slides you want to copy and paste, you just select it, and the position also you have to select it before or after the particular selected cells that can be selected, and you just copy and paste and repeat the bulk of slides with the help of a frame viewer option. Then add video. So add video option is also available. It is used to insert video or insert in your animation. You just touch that add video option. Then it will take you to the videos portion that is available in your mobile. Then select the video as your wish. So you can add videos. It can be turned into, if you add a video into your animated file means it can be turned into number of frames. Then making a movie. Select the three dot icon on the top right corner and select make movie option to turn your file into animation. So after you just make a movie, you can share your file as GIF or MP4. I just show it in the screenshot. So make movie option is available here. So after typing the name and choose this format, you have to make your animated picture. By press the button make movie. Steps to insert an audio. It is an important portion of your session. How to insert an audio. To add sound, music icon that is present at the left bottom and tap the plus symbol. Choose a recorder to insert your audio for your animation. I just show with the help of screenshot. This is the audio symbol. If you touch that symbol means that this screen will be available. Then if you tap the plus symbol means then these options are available. Let us see the name of this option. The first one is audio library, that is used to input music from the library of FlipaClip application. Then audio import, it is used to insert the picture from your mobile. It is used to insert the audio from your mobile, not picture, audio. Next, audio record is used to insert the sound of your own. You just record in your application. Then copy audio. If you want to repeat the same steps of audio again and again, you have to use it or copy audio option. Slice audio is used to select the particular portion, that is to cut the particular portion. You have to use the slice audio, and delete audio option is used to delete the particular selected portion, and rename audio is used to give a new name to your recorded audio. Steps to animate a bouncing ball. Draw a ball in frame 1 using a circle tool by selecting the ruler option. Step 2. Select the paint bucket tool to fill the ball with color. Step 3. Use a lasso tool to circle the portion of your image that you want to move. Then you can rotate, resize or move your image as you wish. Copy the image and paste it in different frames. Repeat the steps to complete the process and press the play button. This is the final video which I have created. Let us see the points to remember. whatever we have learned in this session, the project setting option is used to move to the opening screen of a flipper clip. It is used to, if you want to change the project name or frames per second or canvas size, you have to use the project setting options. Onion skinning is a technique that is used to create, animate and edit cartoons and see several frames at once. Using onion option, the animator can make decision how onion and grid options are present inside the three dot icons that are available in the top right corner of your screen. Frame before, after, opacity start and end skip frames options are available inside the onion. Line opacity, vertical line spacing and horizontal line spacing are the options that are available inside the grid option. Frame is the speed at which the images are shown on the screen. It can be expressed as frame per second or FPS. You can easily control your animation with the help of the frames. Frame viewer option is used to copy and paste a bulk of frames, and if you want to add a video in your project means turn, and then that project can be turned into that project means I just indicate the video can be turned into number of frames. If you add video into your project means into your animation means it can be turned into number of frames. To add sound means you just click the music icon, that is audio icon on the left bottom and tap the plus symbol. Then audio library, import and audio record are the option present inside the animation. Copy audio, slice, delete and rename audio are the options used to edit the inserted audio. So, and with the help of make movie option, you have to turn your file into an animation. That can be, after that you just share the file as MP4 or GIF. That's the end of the session. Thank you students. Thank you to all.